All right, so hello Facebook, hello YouTube. No, we're on YouTube today. All right, so we're on YouTube. My bad. Shit. All right, now custom GPT creators are weirdly stuck, either too technical or too vague. And I'm doing this. All right, we're doing a repeatable system. Okay, let's do that. Let's do a roadmap today. How about that? We start with a roadmap. One line definition of the machine, the framework, so you don't ramble. All right. So now we're going to have an action plan. We're going to have a minimum viable version. Let's start with the core concepts. One line definition here. A 30-minute content machine, a weekly sprint that turns one GPT build into multiple platforms content and a simple conversion path, comment, demo, sale. Now, with time steps, you're going to have GPT content fails because it's either feature torch or prompt texting. Do this instead. Your proof, show the GPT doing this job. The path, one clear next step, comment, keyword, DM, template, wait list. All right. If the viewer can't answer what does this GP do for me in 3 seconds, it won't convert. Now we turn that into a weekly factory. The 30-minute content sprint. Let's get into that. Here's a sprint. Set a timer, no perfection. All right, open the note tile, pane library, and dump 5 FAQs people ask about GPTs. It's secure. How do I connect tools? All right. 3 objections. I can't trust AI. This is too complex. I don't have time. 3 posts, 10 minutes. Create 3 outlines using the hook, proof, path. All right. Problem, solution, demo. Before and after outflow, mistake, then your fix. For each post, 3 hook options, 1 plain English version, 1 for nerds version, quick technical detail. All right. Schedule, track, 5 minutes. Schedule 3 posts and track 1 metric. Metric, DMs started or DMs, and then don't put the likes in there. Okay. The 3-track content system for custom GPT creators. Track A, authority, teach the thinking, how to pick the right GPT to use case ROI test. What makes a GPT reliable? Okay. Track B, proof, show outcomes. Save 4 hours a week, before and after, messy, intake, structured, brief. All right. Track C, personality, build trust and taste. I built a GPT that would answer a certain question. All right. All right, let's get into the myth versus reality. 3 steps. If I show how smart my GPT is, people will buy. That's a myth. Reality, people buy certainty. Will this solve the problem and be safe enough to use? Okay? Now, what you want to do is subscribe to the newsletter. That way you're going to be able to get these templates. So the keywords, I'll send the template. Make sure that's in there. All right? That was part of the fill-in. Okay? So, hook. If you're a who and you keep paying, steal this, proof. Here's my GPT input, output, constraints, the value, money, time, the reason, the keyword, the DM. You use the exact template. All right? The painful moment, it's relatable. Why your current workflow fails, the GPT-powered workflow. All right. Step 1, step 2, step 3. The output, what you get. Call to action, your keyword, your DM, your demo. The 3 levels of explanation caption format. Level 1, plain, what it does plus who it's for. Level 2, practical, inputs, outputs, workflow, constraint, structure, tools used. That's level 3. DM script, comment keyword, then your conversion. DM 1, send asset, and then you qualify. Got you. Are you using this for whichever use case be? DM2, recommended path. All right, step 1, step 2, step 3, instructions to your workflow. DM3, soft close. If you want, I can do a quick 15-minute build, make it reliable, plus sellable. Want the link? All right, the prompt pack. For GPT creators marketing their GPTs, use these verbatim in ChatGPT. Prompt 1, turn one GPT into 12 hooks. Generate 12 short-form hooks of custom GPTs. Outcomes. All right, steal this workflow. Keep each under 12 words. Prompt 2, write 3 scripts. Proof, path. Each script must include a concrete on-screen demo moment. Keyword, audience, niche, tone, practical, slightly playful. Prompt 3, translate technical plain English, rewrite, replace jargon with outcomes, add one simple analogy. Prompt 4, create a mini case study from rough notes. Measurable result and CTA to book a demo, paste it. All right, let's do rapid fire Q&A. I don't have an audience yet. Post, proof, content first, and add a comment keyword. My content gets too technical. Do the 3-level explanation. Earn the right to go technical later. People think custom GPTs are just prompts. Show the difference, inputs, constraints, repeatability. I hate being on camera. Screen record. Use your voice. All right. How do I monetize? Pick one. Your call to action should match that. All right. All right. So the action plan, 3-step plan. Do this week. Pick one use case with clear ROI. Record one 10-second demo. Run a 30-minute sprint and schedule 3 posts. All right. Here's the minimum viable version. If you're slam, 1 post, pain, demo, keyword, 1 DM script, 1 offer, 15-minute build audit. All right. Okay. So stop selling a GPT. Sell the solved problem with the hook-proof path. Run the 30-minute sprint weekly. All right. The hook bank is in the show notes. And next episode will be how to turn your GPT into a simple product ladder. All right. So I will see